Hello, today I'm playing Assassin's Creed Mirage. In this video I'll answer the question if we can create a custom character. Unfortunately, we can't create custom character in this game because it's specifically written for the Basim's history. We already know Basim from the Assassin's Creed Valhalla game, when we meet him as a legend assassin character. In this game, we play him from the beginning of his history. So in the prologue we are just simple a thief, and later we became assassin as a Basim. So the short answer, we can't create character in Assassin's Creed Mirage. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.